Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm talking about how to create multiple WhatsApp accounts. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your WhatsApp app. So right here on my WhatsApp app, I just have to click on the three dots found at the top right corner of my screen. Click on settings option. You're going to see a plus icon close to your profile icon, or click on accounts. Click on add accounts. You also see an option to add accounts here. So click on agree and continue. Now type in the phone number you want to use and create the account. Click on the next option. Make sure your country is the particular country there. Say, is this the correct number? You click on yes. So a code will be sent to this number. I just have to copy the code and paste it. After pasting it, I just have to type in my name and click on the save option. Also, I can now edit my photo if I want to use the particular photo that I want to make use of for it. If I want to make use of any of the photo, I just have to click on the done option and automatically a WhatsApp will be created. So guys, that is it on how to create multiple WhatsApp accounts. If this video was helpful, do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.